What exactly do you look for when you're buying stocks? Are you trying to set up a portfolio that's going to grow your wealth over time? Or do you want stocks that are set to go absolutely parabolic? If your answer is you want stocks or you're looking for stocks that are going to go absolutely parabolic, then this video may be of particular interest to you, because in this video, that's exactly what I'm going to be talking about. I look for stocks that are set to absolutely explode, to go parabolic, whatever you want to call it. The end result we're looking for is to become filthy rich, essentially. So if this is of particular interest to you, if you want stocks in your portfolio that are going to make your portfolio absolutely explode and go parabolic, then stick around, because we're going to be starting right now. Hey, what's going on? It's Pat from Top Ticker Trades. If you're new here and you want to learn how to use stocks and options to make your portfolio go parabolic, make sure you start now by subscribing and tapping that bell so you never miss an upload. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be giving you a quick rundown of a few stocks that I believe will go absolutely parabolic in the future. Now, I'm holding all of these stocks. Some of them I've been holding for quite some time. Others are relatively new. And either way, I believe that even at today's price points, these are all good buys. So we're going to be going over these very quickly. This will be a short video. Today is Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody. Let's get this party started. We're going to wrap this video up very quickly so that you guys can go right back to spending quality time with your families. Again, Merry Christmas. Let's get this going. Now, I want to get right into it, ladies and gentlemen, but before I do, I would like to ask you to please consider giving this video an early thumbs up, as it greatly, and I can't stress that enough, helps to support this channel. I put a lot of time and effort into each video so that we could all make money from the market together. And if you're not part of the family yet, I want you to join my family. We're growing fast, both as a community and financially by the day. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to tap that bell so you have access to videos as soon as they come out. So the first ticker we're going to talk about is SBE. SBE stands for Switchback Energy Acquisition, an EV charging station enterprise operating in 14 nations. It will soon be one company in a deal valued at $2.4 billion. This is, of course, a SPAC play where after the merger it becomes ChargePoint Energy. I absolutely love this stock, and I've been holding it for quite some time. The company has 70% of the market and is about 13 years old. If I had to pick just one charging station play, I would have to ride with ChargePoint. And for those of you following me for a while now, you probably remember when I told you that Blink was a buy. Now, this was a couple of months ago when Blink was attacked by short sellers, and I pounded the table with Blink. I kept saying, you know, it's highly undervalued and it's a buy at these prices, but everybody ignored that because it was going down, which was the ideal time to buy it, but people like to wait until stocks move upward and they like to chase it. Now, don't get me wrong, Blink is still a good company today, but highly overvalued in my opinion, and trading at about $50 right now. There's no way that I would be buying it in this price range. Now, while I do realize that the market is forward looking and getting a lot of new and Blink is getting a lot of new contracts, I don't see myself buying at this valuation no matter what. So ChargePoint, I would still consider to be undervalued. And of course, they are the market leader, which I do expect some serious growth out of this one over the next few years, and plan on adding to my position on any significant dip. And next on my list is CIIC. And CIIC is another SPAC play and in the EV sector that is expected to merge with Arrival Group, which is a UK EV company, in Q1 of 2021. And what separates this company from its competition is its proprietary software and technology. The company has coined the term microfactory, for which it refers to its industry disruptive factories that can be set up within a 6-month period and mass produce the vehicles that are in their product catalog. Now, the company already has a huge billion-dollar contract with the UPS and expects to get more orders from the UPS upon completion of the current order. Next on my list is NIO. Now, NIO stock really needs no introduction. It's a Chinese EV maker that everyone refers to as baby Tesla or the Chinese Tesla. I see this stock easily flying and being in the several $100 range in the near future, but the company has several things going for it, and these are worth me mentioning here. So number one, the company is supported by the Chinese government. Number two, BAAS, which stands for Battery as a Service. Number three, the company is quickly growing its brand in China and becoming recognized as a luxury vehicle brand. And number four, the company has the 150 kilowatt hour batteries and is constantly working on improving those. Number five, the company is involved in or with autonomous technology and right behind Tesla in that aspect. And next on my list is BFT or PaySafe. This is another SPAC play currently trading under the ticker BFT. This is a fintech company that's growing fast. A lot of people are calling this the next PayPal. I'm calling this a 10-time play over the next 3 to 4 years, but probably much sooner. And last but not least, we've got another SPAC trading under the ticker symbol APXT, which is Apex Technology Incorporated and taking Avepoint public. Now, Avepoint is a third-party software provider that helps companies migrate their data to cloud platforms. But what's of particular interest to me is that it is heavily involved with Microsoft and the Azure platform. The company's service is offered within the SAAS framework, and the company has rolled out software to help with SharePoint migration, automated Microsoft Teams management, and with the ability to migrate Microsoft Teams and Slack chats into a target channel. While I have you here, I wanted to quickly tell you about the brand new First Trade app, available for mobile or PC. The platform will give you access to powerful and easy to use tools and allows you to trade with less restrictions, zero commissions, zero fees, and you can use the first link in the description below to download a free stock today without having to deposit any money. This will greatly help out the channel and is always appreciated. And now back to your regularly scheduled programming. Congrats, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to the end of the video. If you like what you watched, make sure you subscribe because I put out videos just like this one every single day. And please do me a favor and smash that like button if I helped you in any way, because it really goes a long way in helping the channel out and keeps me motivated to make videos every single day. Now, there's a lot of work involved, a lot of research, and a lot of time and effort into editing and putting these out daily for you guys. You can subscribe from your screen right now, or if you want to watch one of my other videos, I'm sure YouTube has some good content picked out for you on the left-hand side of your screen now. Thanks for sticking it out with me till the end, and I will see you guys in the next video.